Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's live trading. So today is August 18th, a Tuesday. Got no news, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Yeah, no news. We've been pretty bearish. Expanded a lot during Asia. Expanded, well, 330 points. It's not a lot, but it's a decent amount. I've got loads and loads of LRL on NAS. Actually, it's not even really LRL because we've got gaps, to be fair. We respected this 1 hour gap, so definitely expect this to get taken out this low. Let me check on ES real quick. Oh, ES has already taken these lows. Okay, that's interesting. That kind of makes the situation a bit different. But still, I think we're gonna take at least this low. So till we hit this, I'm gonna probably be bearish towards it. But we gotta pay attention to ES, because ES already took them out. So ES is probably kind of gonna be the leading index more or less for today. Also, we haven't even taken out London lows on ES. So they're pretty decent right now. But that's gonna be probably another reason why we're gonna go lower first. If we wanna even go higher, I think I'm gonna take out London lows and these swing lows on NAS. We also have this unfilled 4 hour up here, and 10 AM is about to open. Plus we've swapped all the lows already on ES. So that kind of makes me think that we might also just long kind of after 10 AM, might get like a 10 AM reversal. Especially because ES is already more bullish than a NAS. So yeah, we might honestly just pump from 10 AM, to be honest. Have like multiple SMTs. We've got an SMT all the way over here for London lows to this low. Then we have an internal SMT. So signs are kind of showing that we might just be bullish and not take out this low. And then obviously like the higher time frame SMT all the way down here, and this one as well. So technically there wouldn't even be a reason we need to come down there. We could just pump, put in a 5-minute rejection block after we sweep the internal low. So yeah, I think I'm gonna kind of change my bias or what I want to see to longs, I think. We've got LRL a bit at least. Well, we've got stacked highs more than LRL, to be fair. But yeah, we will see. Tapped into this 5-minute. Gonna wait for a reaction. And I could technically already just long this. We're selling off right now. Let's see what this next candle does. We might just engulf this or change the state of delivery on the next candle, and then we would also get a pretty decent entry. But yeah, I mean, can go either way. We could also just take out these lows. But then if we take out these, I think we're also going to take out the lower ones. So yeah, let's see what 10 AM does. Yeah, we're now getting that kind of push up that I was talking about. Kind of get a AMD accumulate right here, distribute lower, and then come up. So yeah, let's see if this actually pulls back, because we are pumping a bit. But yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute close though before I put on this limit, and then yeah, we will see. I set my limit here. So we're gonna see what happens from here. If we get filled, confluences are this 500 rejection block, tap into it. Nice bullish reaction out of it. Got POIs higher. What else? Well, that's basically it. Gonna target this internal high. Actually, maybe a bit less, I think, if I get filled and it goes my way. Yes, taking out London highs is probably gonna be my TP, more or less. We also have this 10 a.m. in a nice 1 minute now, all the way at the start. So, it's another good confluence, obviously pretty deep into discount. So we're gonna see. Don't really have any higher time frame gaps we could bounce off of to the downside. Got a few 2 minutes, but that doesn't mean a whole lot. Yeah, and then obviously stacked highs. Big SMTs to the downside, so I really like this trade. We're about to get filled. Okay, we're filled here. Oh my god, you're trolling. Are you serious? I'm on the wrong account. No way, bro. I mean, I'm just not gonna enter now. Not after this close. I mean, maybe I got lucky here. Let's see. I actually like shorts, to be honest, if this can kind of push down even more. Especially after this close. Yeah, I mean, for fuck's sake, bro. I mean, I kind of just have to wait now. There's no good entry right now. Kind of just fucked my opportunity. What even was my stop? My stop was 20 points. I mean, that's so fucking stupid. There's no way I'm on the wrong account. Yeah, and it's pumping. Bro, you gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna let this run. Maybe it doesn't even run, but I'm not gonna re-enter here, because I don't see any re-entries I like. 5 minutes also looking very bad. Yeah, fuck it. It's just so stupid. I actually just hope this doesn't play out now, to be honest. Alright, I just put on a sell limit here. Kind of just wanting to see the lows get swept. We just swept internal lows, which I really didn't want to see. Oh wow, okay. Still gonna leave the limit on though, because I think we're just gonna push even lower. Yeah, that's kind of it. The confluence for this trade is a 5-minute CISD. Got the 10 a.m. manipulation. Just aligns with OTE as well, even of the 5-minute range. And then it's in like a small 1-minute gap first presented. So yeah, also really like this trade, to be honest. I think if we want to go lower, this is a very good entry, but I don't know if we're gonna get filled, to be honest. London lows are pretty much in reach for ES now as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of probably let this run until we hit London lows on ES. I think we're gonna get filled here. ES came super close to these lows. We're technically tapped like the level of that low, but that's not a sweep for me. That's not enough. I want to see at least like I mean, on the 1 minute, I kind of need to see a close below for it to be a valid sweep, or at least like a big wick below. Touching the exact level isn't really a sweep for me. So we're gonna see if we get filled here. Limit obviously still at the same position, 10 a.m. So yeah. We're about to get filled here. Also de-risked a bit. yeah. Just cause ES is looking horrendous. It's a bit of chop, it's kind of cleared out now. But 350 risk is a bit too much. So kind of risk down to 260. But with slippage, this is also probably gonna be like around 300 risk, so ES is a lot higher, which is kind of the only thing worrying me right now, but oh no. Oh yeah, this is gone. Nah. Oh yeah, this is gone. Ah, well. I mean, I can probably take off the limit. Like, if this comes back, it's just not gonna work. Already tap this 1 minute, which was kind of like another supporting factor for price. And now we're just dumping. So if this comes back, this 10 AM is not gonna hold. So I'm just gonna take off my limit here. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of what I meant. Well, this is kind of, I mean, technically your stop should be here, but this is a bit too much or too big of a stop. But we actually poked into it and like out of it. But yeah, I mean, this PA is completely unsynced, and ES is just completely chopping about. So I'm not gonna trade my funded today. Maybe if I see a setup, I'll trade my evals, but yeah, this is just far too choppy for me. I might honestly try this trade on evals. Actually, I think I'm gonna go lower risk and then put my TP a bit higher. This would be off of a 15-minute CISD. And basically, yeah, I mean, that's almost it. But I do need the 15-minute to close. So, I mean, this is fine. I think I'm gonna do it like that, and then obviously 900. 900 is up here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna put my limit. And I'm just gonna wait till the 15-minute closes, and then I'm gonna activate it. The reason why I'm kind of changing my bias, is because I don't really see any PDRAs that could push us lower other than the 4-hour gap up there, plus we have triple equal highs up here. 15-minute close, I'm gonna set my limit now. So yeah, there's just not really a reason for me, or a reason in my opinion, that we're gonna go lower, to be honest. It's just kind of low resistance liquidity all the way to the downside. I mean, this would also be the break-even point. But then, I mean, yeah, the thing that could really push us lower is really the 4-hour gap up there. So yeah, I also have really strong bullish reaction on this 1-hour candle. Obviously isn't closed yet, so it doesn't mean anything, but yeah. 10 AM is also very nicely lined with this 2-minute, which makes it even stronger, which makes it a lot stronger, actually. Stops are at the low of that candle. 10:24 candle, 2-minute candle. So yeah, that's looking like a good trade, I can't know. But this is only evals. PA is way too choppy for me to put on extra risk, so yeah, this is evals. I mean, I just got edged again. Yeah, we serious. By a quarter of a point. I mean, I guess we just don't want to hit 10 AM today. Well, let's just fucking go, and I might just FOMO enter. And I just entered this. I'm not missing out. I mean, this is like 250 risk on an EVA, so got a very nice reaction off that 2-minute. Break even would also be up here. This is, let's have a look, 300 risk. Same TP, same idea. Also have this 2-minute rejection block that I I mean, I could have entered on this, but I just wasn't trying to miss the move, to be honest. So, yeah. Alright, so no trades. Got pretty lucky on this one occasion where I wanted too long, but yeah, not really much to say. PA more or less kind of just cleaned up, or I mean, I guess you could say clean up. We swept the first low that I wanted to see. Next one, I'm not sure if that's even gonna get a hit because that's a pretty protected low. But yeah, we've been dumping for a while now, so probably gonna see a bigger retrace sometime this week. Only trade I have seen was this short right here. I think that was a pretty decent trade. Had the Judas swing off open, 15-minute rejection block, tapped into it twice. So I mean, this is also not really a rejection block, to be honest, because it just kind of didn't do anything, didn't sweep anything. Obviously the 5-minute CISD, then we had it aligned with OTE. So yeah, I think this was a decent trade, but other than that, there was no good trade today, just extremely choppy. Well, this long, maybe, but yeah, that's also, I mean, that long also wasn't that bad, I think. If you're long biased, which I was at that time because of triple equal highs, we did have this very prominent low. So I kind of saw it go both ways. We could have went to the 4-hour gap and then dump. Didn't happen though. 50-minute CISD in a 2-minute was an OTE. That's kind of the only thing about it, I'd say. But yeah, obviously, like, didn't work out at all. We just completely crashed. So yeah, obviously 0 trades on the funded. Here my funded stack. Right now, just 6 accounts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.